Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss very important topic, how to switch your job in IT sector. And this video will be definitely going to help you if you are doing job in IT sector. But before starting this video, I want to tell you about Coding Invaders Data Analyst course. This course helps us to a stable and well-paid job with no operation in IT. And you all must know that data is the new oil because all of the companies are using it for working with customers. After the pandemic, business left online. They gave a powerful growth for the digital area. Everybody collects data from shop, restaurant to monopoly companies and app with million audience. A data analyst helps ensure that the collected information is useful for the business. Coding Invader is a job-oriented course with practice for special simulator and powerful support. There are more than 60,000 data analyst jobs open in India and more than 150,000 in US. The average annual salary for data analyst in United States is presently $70,033 per year. The average salary of a mid-level data analyst in India is 6,35,379 rupees. The average salary of an experienced data analyst in India is 8,52,561 rupees. After 4 years of work, you will simply earn more than 20 lakh rupees. There are over 1 lakh data analyst vacancies available right now in India and over 10 lakh worldwide. There is huge demand for this profession and no experience is needed to enroll this course. They will teach you from scratch SQL, Python, Google Sheet, business intelligence programs, basics of mathematical statistics, 8-month program with IT simulators, 8-month program with IT simulator to 1000 plus assignment, personal tutor and a professional community with interesting people. Help with the job interview and CV upgrades. If you are studying, you will launch an independent project like in real data analytics practice. 1000 plus assignment will be there, 20 plus capstone project will be there, 10 plus real business cases from companies like Amazon, Deloitte, Philips, GTV and many more. Interesting fact about Coding Invaders, 88% of their graduates didn't know how to code when they came to them and now they earn money by data analytics. Do you want to do the same? Then follow the link and sign up for the course to change your life and boost your career. Click learn more and register for the course with a 40% discount. Basic requirements for switching your job. First of all, you should have at least 1 year of experience to switch from one company to another. However, you can switch before 1 year of experience also, but there will be few limitation in that. You may get less hike. Secondly, there will be rare chance that your resume will be shortlisted. Now, understanding of technology. You must have proper understanding of at least one technology. However, if you know multiple technology, that will be preferable for every company. You should have command at least on one technology. Now, knowledge about current project. You should have overall knowledge about your current project. Which technologies are being used in your current project? Obviously, you must know technology on which you are working, but there will be certain other technologies which are being used in your project. You must be aware about those technologies also. However, you may have basic overview only, but you must be aware and you should have proper command on your daily activities that you are doing in your project and what is your role and what is your importance in that project. So these are few basic requirements that are required before making switch. Now, methods of switching. There are few methods which you can use for switching your company. I have shortlisted effective ones from all of them. Re-level exam. You can give re-level exam which is conducted by an academy and here you can get very good CTC if you are planning to switch. Now LinkedIn, you can connect to various candidates on LinkedIn and along with that, you can post about your experience and technologies that you know and the company or the HR which require the same experience or same technology can contact to you and they can offer you an opportunity of giving the interview. This can be the method of switching. Now company portal. There are many organizations in IT sector and you can apply by visiting their career portal. Like if you want to switch to Infosys, just visit Infosys career page and there you will certainly find multiple opportunities and you can choose the one which suits you and upload your resume there, and if they find you suitable for the job then you will get call from their HR. Now friends referral. Let us suppose a scenario, you are working in TCS and few of your friends from your project have switched to another company. Then you can ask your friends to refer you in the company in which they are working, and in this method you have very high chance that you will get a call for an interview. Now Naukri.com, you can upload your resume and make a profile on Naukri.com and here multiple companies will be able to see your resume and they will call you as per their requirement. And now challenges in switching. First one, lack of knowledge. Obviously, if you have lack of knowledge, then you may not qualify the interview. Lack of experience, as I have already told you, that you should have at least 1 year of experience. However, experience of 2 years is most preferable. And if you have that much experience, then you can switch. And if you have more than that, then surely you will get call from multiple organizations. But then the level of your interview will be increased. And if you have experience of just 2 years, very simple question will be asked to you in interview. Now, long notice period, and this is the most negative parameter for all those who are working in MNCs like TCS, because they have notice period of 3 months. And all those candidates who have 3 months of notice period have low chance of getting their resume shortlisted. And if you have notice period of just 1 month, then there is very high chance that your resume will be shortlisted. And now, communication skills. And obviously, if you do not have good communication skill, then it will be very tough for you to crack the interview. Improper resume. You should make proper resume before applying to any organization, because if your resume is not proper, then they may reject your resume. And if your resume is rejected, then you will not get any feedback or any other clue what has happened. So this will not be going to help you in any way. So you should make proper resume, and if you are not able to make the same, then you can take the reference of any of your friend or any senior, and you can take their resume in Word format and you can edit the same, and hence you will be able to make good resume. Because if you do not have good resume, then it will be very difficult for you to even get the opportunity for an interview. Lack of certification. To make switch to good organization, you must have multiple certifications. If you do not have multiple certifications, in that case you must have certification of at least one technology in which you are working. And for sure, lack of certification may impact your chances of selection. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel, IIT India.